So you're not nuts. You probably just need to meditate. This is a guide to meditation, a how to. So in this video, I want to talk about the practice of meditation with the emphasis on the word practice because this will require a lot of it. I want to go over some of my own journey, a quick tutorial, and at the end I'll answer some of the things commonly asked. This will be a brief summary, but enough to get you started, feeling more connected, more grounded, and balanced in your life. I'm going to quickly go over what it means for me personally, a little on how it's made an impact in my life, and more importantly, how it can help you too. I'll drop some tidbits on some of the things I actually do to make it my practice. I found that in my infinite wisdom that you have to individualize a practice to get the most out of it. This is for no one else. It's for you. Some legit self-help. So this is Palo Santo, one of my favorite scents. Has an ability to calm a space through scent somehow. At least that's what it does for me. That and watching the smoke in the still rooms is okay. So I create this space for me. This is my first recommendation because this is about you. Make no mistake, getting to know exactly who you are in a quiet pocket of space. This can be very revealing, but you know what that means. Progress. Coming up are some of the things that I do for myself currently. If you found yourself looking to be more balanced emotionally and mentally, you're interested in meditation, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Go ahead and grab yourself a seat if you're not already. And go ahead and turn off anything that can distract you except for an alarm, which I want you to go ahead and set for 5 minutes to start out. So this is a pro tip. Make sure you let everyone you know around you that you're going to be taking some quiet time. And if you got any four-legged housemates or anything, make sure they're somewhere comfortable too, where they don't disturb your practice. If you have some music you want to put on to soak up some of that background noise and create an ambiance, please do so. I have a couple of playlists I use for these very moments myself. So go ahead and begin to release whatever thoughts you're currently holding. Go ahead and get out those kinks. So go ahead, make sure you're in good body posture with your back straight and your eyes level. Go ahead and tuck your chin and begin to shut down the eyes. This is the point where I want you to start visualizing. I want you to start visualizing your breath. As you inhale, imagine yourself taking in cool purple air. As you continue to exhale, continue to detach from any thoughts that are trying to pass through your mind, slowing to pass through. What you see me doing here with my hands, this is called a mudra, or you can think of it as a hand yoga. These different postures have different meanings, they have different benefits for you. I'll talk more about those, specifically on mudras and hand movements in a different episode. If you want to learn more about those, leave me a comment in the comment section. This is another mudra that I do. So if you want to try either one, it's your show. So next, if you made it to this point and you tried to meditate before, you might be running to the point where you're still who you are. You're still attached to everything you've been doing during the day. All of your distractions, your phone, the TV, the internet, etc. You're gonna want to fidget. You're gonna want to scratch. You're gonna look around. What was that bump? What was that? That's normal. It's natural. So many thoughts flooding in, and it's really common. Don't give up. Keep going. Just go ahead and take a deep breath. Roll your shoulders and get right back into it.